Most people just burn their garbage in a pile, and I put bricks around mine, and then put an old fan grate over it. Especially on a windy day, it's a lot safer. So I did some earlier over here, and I used 3, and then I was like, that's too close to the window. So I put metal over it and propped it up with a brick so it could get some air in. It burned for the most part, but garbage pickup is iffy. When we lived over there, we didn't even have garbage pickup at all, ever. 2 years of no garbage pickup. And here it's kind of hit or miss. They went 3 weeks without it. And poof, all of a sudden they showed back up. It's supposed to be 2 days, or 2 days a week. Thursday and Saturday, and most of the time it's actually Thursday or Saturday. And they've shown up on Mondays too. And okay? See?